No, it's very hard to beat Geums for reliability and color in a perennial bed or border during the spring and early summer months. And this very nice selection that's called Rustico Orange, which was developed by Terra Nova Nurseries in Oregon, is a smashing little compact growing variety of an old-fashioned favorite. This is one that has been grown the world over and is putting on a terrific show with its bright orange flowers. Getting to about 10 to 12 inches high. As you see, it's very free flowering. And the nice thing about Geums is that they are very easy and reliable to grow and have foliage that's tough and hardy, and deer normally don't eat them. So if you're looking for something that's reliable, that's very colorful, that's short and compact, that you can put into beds and borders or even just pop into a container, this is Geum Rustico Orange.